Costco Anywhere Visa Business Plus app. The pros, the cons. If your business relies on Costco for supplies or travel essentials, the Costco Anywhere Visa Business Plus card could be your secret weapon. But is it really worth it? Let's dive into the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros. This card packs serious cash back power. You'll earn 4% on eligible gas purchases worldwide, including at Costco up to a yearly limit. You also get 3% on restaurant and travel purchases, 2% on Costco and Costco.com purchases, and 1% everywhere else. For businesses that spend big on fuel or travel, those rewards add up fast. There's no annual fee with your paid Costco membership, and the card has no foreign transaction fees, making it a strong companion for business trips abroad. Plus, it's backed by Citi, meaning solid security, excellent fraud protection, and easy account management online. Now, the cons. While the rewards are strong, your cash back is only redeemable once a year as a Costco reward certificate. You need to visit a Costco warehouse to cash it out, which might not be convenient for everyone. Also, this card requires a Costco membership, and if you cancel your membership, you lose access to your rewards. So, woe's it for? The Costco Anywhere Visa Business Plus card is perfect for business owners who already shop at Costco and want to earn serious cash back on gas, travel, and everyday purchases. The surprising truth: most people overlook this card because of its redemption process, but if you're a regular Costco customer, it quietly delivers one of the best overall cashback returns in the business world.